Welcome back to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got some crab cake stuffed salmon. Now, I love seafood, so this is one recipe that I've been very eager to make and very eager to taste. So, today we messing with some real crab meat, not that imitation stuff, all right? Don't get me wrong. Imitation's still good, but today, we had to, open up the pockets a little more, get that real crab meat for a nice, authentic taste, all right? So, stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. So we're gonna start with about 2-3 tablespoons of mayo here. I'm working with 16 ounces of meat. So if you have 8, just use about 1 or 2. Then I have 1 egg yolk, some lemon zest, and then half a lemon for some lemon juice. Make sure you take the seeds out. You don't want seeds in your mixture. Then some Creole seasoning, about a teaspoon of all these seasonings as well. Some cayenne pepper, and some Old Bay. I use a little more seasoning because, like I said, I use a lot of meat. And a little Dijon mustard. Then we're gonna give that a nice little mix. So now it's time to add the crab meat here. I got about 16 ounces of crab meat. Now I recommend getting lump crab. The store ran out, so I had to settle for claw meat, but it's still fine, still tastes like crab. So you want to get this nice and mixed in. If your mixture is a little bit too dry, you can add a little bit more mayo in there as well. Now it's time to add the breadcrumbs. I got about a cup here, and this is to help the mixture really stick, let it really be cohesive, it builds that cohesion that you need, especially if you want to make crab cakes out of this. So, just keep adding the breadcrumb till you get the nice texture you want. Now we got some garlic powder and some onion powder. We gotta get our seasonings in, gotta get the seasonings in. Get that nice and mixed in. Now it's time to cut some pockets into the salmon. Now you want to cut them nice and deep, but not too deep. You don't want to cut all the way through, but just create a nice pocket for the crab meat to sit in. Now it's not going to fully fit into the pocket, but it provides a nice little foundation for the crab meat to just hold itself. Yep, it's time to season. So we're going to start off with a little bit of salt on top. Then some Creole seasoning. Get that nice and evenly spread over. And some cayenne pepper. And that paprika. You can't forget the paprika. And if you're cooking with fish, you gotta have that Old Bay. Alright, so get that Old Bay nice and seasoned on. Alright, so now we're gonna get to stuffing the salmon. Alright, so you wanna get that crab meat nice and into those pockets and create a nice little dome shape so you can cook very evenly, all right? Like I said earlier, I used about 16 ounces, so I definitely had enough crab meat left over to make a couple crab cakes, which I'll show in another video. So this should only take about 8 ounces of crab meat. Time to get these bad boys in the oven on 425 for about 15 or so minutes. Just keep checking on it until you get that nice color that you're looking for. Ooh, yes sir. You can't tell me that don't look beautiful. Now it's time to get the sauce made. Alright, so we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of butter. Let that simmer down. We're gonna add garlic paste or minced garlic, whichever one you prefer. I like garlic paste, it's a lot quicker. You're gonna get that mixed up. Just cook it for about a minute or so. Then we're gonna add a nice little bit of heavy cream. And just some parsley to finish it off. Oh my God. Look at that, got the sauce on top and everything. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh man. I know y'all saw that finished product. Now, there's only one thing left to do. It's taste it. And these came out looking real good. Like, do you see that? I got a nice little garlic butter sauce, cream sauce on top. You know, I'm really gonna eat these with some mashed potatoes, but I just want to see how this, you know, how this tastes just stand alone. You know, because every piece of the food has to stay or has to taste good by itself. You know, so we gonna. It just looks so beautiful. I just don't wanna. I don't even wanna touch it. I don't wanna. Kind of wanna like just frame this, you know. But we can't do it. So time for the taste test. Boy, that crab just breaking away. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Hey. Hey. Oh my God. This is, oh my goodness, this is, I don't even have words for this. This is just, I feel like this is definitely restaurant quality. This is better than restaurant quality. Oh my goodness. It's just so easy to make. This is a masterpiece. They will keep making me want to cry. Oh, they're so good. That crab, I just love crab meat, man. Crab meat is, the salmon. You know what? I need some time alone with this. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. We out.